Okay, we're negative 19 vacuum. You see the frozen accumulator down there? Let's put the heat gun on the accumulator. Let's see how much, if there's any trapped refrigerant. It's already melting, the ice came off, so it must be pretty low. Almost no refrigerant left in there. There's just oil in the bottom, so you might have 2 or 3 ounces of oil in the bottom of the accumulator. And then there's oil trapped inside the desiccant bag. If you've ever cut open accumulators, it's a big condensing bag. It looks like almost like a house sponge that you would, the size of a sponge that you would clean your dishes with, and it absolutely absorbs a couple ounces of oil into desiccant BBs just by the surface attraction on all the surface area of all the BBs. So let's see where we're at now. We're coming up to negative 13, so we went from negative 19 to negative 13. You can see the vacuum's approaching back to 0. Now if I had another heat gun and I put it on the evaporator, I would flash some more refrigerant trapped into oil in the bottom of the evaporator. But as you see, we're approaching 0. We're gonna get there. Okay, I just want you to see that little phenomenon. Now what can happen, some guys, if you guys don't do this, is you'll see negative 15 and think it's okay. And if it was a cold, foggy, or not foggy, just a cold morning, say you're in an unheated garage, you did a recovery and it passes your negative 15 test on the new machines and it says it's recovered, and you go have a lunch break or something like that. Well, the refrigerant trapped in the oil will boil out and it'll go positive pressure. And when you come over here and you disconnect the line, it sprays in your face because the refrigerant trapped cold into oil went from a negative pressure to a positive pressure. That's why you always want to make sure you get everything out of there. And see, we're getting closer to 0. All right, I just wanted to do the short one. I got to jump over to the other vehicles and allow this one to recover some more. Turn back on the recovery machine.